I'm really passionate about the pork industry, and it's given me some really good tools to be able to get my message across effectively.
It's important to do media training so we can help promote and grow the Australian pig industry.
Everything from smiling on camera to standing tall is really important for us.
'Cause you and me, we go together like honey.
And I really appreciate your help because, you don't normally get exposed to these sort of things.
We got that good love.
It's really good to develop your knowledge.
Once in a lifetime, once in a
I definitely need it and would recommend it to anyone.
love. Good love.
It's been a fun day, and I hope the rest of the group and the team have really enjoyed it.